How to verify land ownership in Nigeria. This video is a step-by-step guideline that is going to help you to verify land ownership, whether a first-time buyer, a return investor in Nigeria that are based in diaspora, or someone that have been scammed when you try to buy property in Nigeria because he failed to verify land ownership. This video is for you. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video to the end, and I assure you are going to gain value. So if this is your first time coming across my channel, I would like you to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video too. If you want to buy real estate, you want to buy landed property in Nigeria, I will use Enugu State for example. It is good for you to verify the land ownership before you buy any landed property. I repeat again, verify before you buy. You don't buy and verify. You have to verify the property first before you buy that property. So what is the first way to start verifying land ownership? Now, the first way to verify land ownership is to get the seller to give you all necessary documents that he used to acquire that land, be it a C of O, a deed of assignment, a registered survey plan, a deed of sublease, any document that land have. Let the person selling that land to you or the real estate company, how they acquire that land, let them provide a document for you. All you have to do is to get the photocopy of that document. The second step is for you to go to the Land Registry and conduct your search yourself. Now let me say something here now. The only way you can conduct search in the Land Registry are documents that are being registered. You cannot conduct your search in the Ministry of Land with documents that are not registered. If a title is not registered in the Ministry of Land, you cannot conduct your search in that Ministry of Land, because what we use to conduct search in the Ministry of Land is the search number. Because no matter how beautiful that estate is, no matter the name of that estate, that location of that land, where that land is located, where you want to build or drill home, where you are eager to buy, what shows proof of that land is the title document of that land. That is the only way you can verify ownership of that land. So it is good for you to conduct your own search if you want to buy a land. Also, if you are buying a land from a community, you can go and meet the community head and ask questions about that land you want to buy. If that land is not under any dispute in the community, if that land is not having any issue, if there's no case of multiple buyers in that land you want to buy. Another way for you to conduct your own search, especially if you are buying family land, is to meet the head of that family yourself and ask question. Go to that place, ask question from the head of that family if the person selling that land is actually the right person to sell that land. Now, thirdly, is for you to verify the CAC, that is the Corporate Affairs Commissioner. This aspect is implied when you are buying from a corporate firm, especially those that buy property from a real estate company, to check if that company is actually genuine, to track their record, to check their track record when you want to buy land. Now, finally, is to go to the Surveyor General Office, and the only way you can go to the Surveyor General Office to conduct your own search is to get the registered survey plan of that land. Or if you are buying from a real estate company, they are going to give you what they call a layout plan number. Now you take that layout plan number, you go to the Surveyor General Office to conduct your own search. You are conducting your search is to know if that land falls under government acquisition, 1, if there's any government interest on that land, 2, if there's any encroach on that land. Always advise you when you are trying to buy land in Nigeria, especially right here in the city of Enugu, always involve a professional. Always involve real estate property lawyer that is going to guide you in this process, so that you're not going to end up losing your hard-earned money to either fake land agent or fake real estate company. So I hope you gain value from this video. I am Freddy Chinoso, your real estate friend based here in the city of Enugu, and my goal is to make sure I give you safe and profitable real estate transaction right here in the city of Enugu. So if you are watching this video and you want to own a land right here in the city of Enugu, a land that is fully registered, verified, free for all government encumbrance, free from government acquisition, all you have to do is to reach out to me on this number you are seeing on your screen, 070-6728-3262, and I'm going to help you out.